Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2019 Hino 268. It is a 25,950 GVW truck, comes in under CDL. Before we jump into that walk around though, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it when it comes up. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from. We do a 150-point check, go through the cabs, bodies, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, get them cleaned up, put online for our customers to take a look at. On top of that 150-point check, we have done the engine oil filter. Fuel and air filters have been changed. This truck has been pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into it, plenty of grab handles. We've got a really nice air suspension captain seat for the driver. We have a two-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3 in this truck. With the Hino, we've got really good outward and pretty good upward visibility with that sloped hood that they have on there. We have the AM, FM, CD radio, cruise control, air conditioning, and the large mirrors on the doors are controlled, powered, so your driver can control them from the driver's seat, and they are heated. So if you got snow, ice, or any kind of precipitation on them, they can turn those on. It'll get hot and the water will roll off of them, so they'll have a clear view of it. And even though this truck is a 2019, you can look at it, you can see it's very well taken care of, maintained. Be a great ride for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times when you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the side skins are all scratched up, creased, corner caps, side radiuses are banged up. This truck's in really good shape. It's a Southern truck, no rust on it. Got good rubber all the way around it. This particular truck has got a step bumper on it. We've left it this way with the pull-out ramp, so if you can utilize that, or we can take the ramp and step bumper off, put a wide array of tuckaway lift gates on this, or we could even put a rail lift of your choice on the back of it also. This is a 26-foot long, 103 tall, 102 wide. This is about the most common freight size trucks. We've got the 2 rows of E-track. We can add more if you need them at our body shop. It's got the hardwood Apatong slats and the Apatong hardwood scuff. The aluminum roof's in good shape. We got a nice dome light for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor in this truck is in really, really good shape, so it has a whole lot of life left. Here at Industrial Power, we carry a wide array of pre-owned trucks. It's gotten better than it used to be. We have several of the 26-footers, but we also got some of the 16, 18, 20s also, and other vocational trucks such as landscaping. And even though this truck is in really, really nice shape, we can wrap the box and the cab if you'd like with your name, graphics, phone numbers, so that way when the truck's running down the road or sitting there for delivery, you're turning that fuel money into advertising money while it's going down the road. Again, a really nice 2019 Hino 268, 25,950 under CDL, pre-qualified with that extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're always notified every time we put new equipment on. Stick with us for a second. We're going to pop the hood on this truck, start it up, and take a little more intimate walk around of just the truck for you to look at. And as always, we do appreciate your time.